Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna be show you how can you fix iPhone lagging problem after iOS 26 beta update. So guys, if you have updated your device to the latest version of iOS 26 and you are facing a problem that your iPhone is lagging, so guys, today in this video I'm gonna be show you how can you fix it. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, just simply open the settings and then scroll down, and then you have to just simply tap on shutdown and shut down your iPhone to 15 to 20 seconds, and after that open it and check if the problem is fixed or not. If you are having still this problem, then you have to just simply tap on VPN and device management and make sure that there is not connected any of the VPN. If there is a connected VPN, then you have to just simply disconnect the VPN, and then you have to just simply tap on background app refresh and turn this toggle off, and after that check if the problem is fixed or not. If you are having still this problem, then you have to just simply scroll down and then tap on content and prices section. Scroll down, sorry, you have to just simply turn off content and prices section from here, and then you have to just simply go to the privacy and security and then tap on location services and turn this toggle off, and then you have to just simply check if the problem is fixed or not. If you are having still this problem, then you have to just simply tap on general, scroll down, and then tap on transfer reset icon, tap on reset and reset your all setting for one time, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So in this way you can easily fix your problem. So that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If the video helps you, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.